smell it. I finally got a hold of the honeysuckle that grows along my side fence in my backyard. It grows almost all the way to the back of my house, all along the fence line. The goal is to make it a little bit more straight on the top instead of having lumps or little hills in it. Anyway, like I said, it grows all along this fence, all the way back to the back of the property. It used to grow on the fence back there, but I cut a lot of that out last year and pulled a lot of the roots up. Looking good back here. Sunflower update. I finally got them in the ground, the 3 in the ground on the bottom. Somebody, Mr. Rabbit, got a hold of one of them, the one on the left, and ate the top right off of it. Anyway, I have a spare in there just in case. But like I said, I planted them last week. I grew them from seed. It's been about a month now. They are supposed to get 12 feet tall. Mammoth, I think is the variety name. I could be wrong. I didn't know they were going to get that tall until I read the package the other day. But anyway, Mr. Owl down here, Oliver the Owl, he does absolutely nothing. Nothing that I know of anyway. I just put him out here and there and did today because of the rabbit, hoping that he will do something. Anyway, got it all trimmed up. Looks good.